most welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make knotless braids by yourself in the comfort of your home. So I'm going to start with sectioning the hair and applying some gel, as you've seen. Then I will go ahead and section the hair into three sections. So I'll go ahead and section the hair into three sections, and I will braid it, as you can see right there, the first time, second time, and the third time. You make sure that you grip it tightly so that it doesn't come out loose and not looking nice actually. So you go ahead and put it right in between there, as you can see, and then you begin the braiding process. So you put it right in between and overlap it with the other, and you start braiding. So you continue feeding in the hairs while making sure that you grip the hair tight. As you can see, emphasize gripping the hair so that it comes out nice. So you get another piece of hair and braid it inside as well. You add it inside as well, making sure that they are all the same sizes. If you're not comfortable with the size, you can always add a bit more hairs so that they are all the same size. So as you can see, you continue braiding, and you can be adding more hair until you achieve the desired size that you want. So I am making small knotless braids, as you can see, so it does not require adding a lot of braids inside. So I stopped right there because that's the size that I wanted. Yeah, and so we shall continue the braiding process. So once you're done with the braiding part and you're at the bottom of the braid, you're going to secure the end of your braid. So you're going to pick a piece of hair and wrap it around your index finger and around your braid, as you can see, and place it in the hole or space that you have made and pull it out. Ensure that you tighten it because the braid tends to slip a lot. If you're familiar with French curl braids, they're really slippery and hard to secure the end, so you have to do it the second time too, and make sure you tighten it so that it doesn't move out of place. And there you go, your beautiful knotless braid has been braided. So thank you for watching.